Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Upper Ground Lagoon Local and Long Distance Movers Near Me. A long distance move is demanding. It calls for extensive and meticulous planning that should describe how your goods will move through the distance without damage. However, with 3 Movers, you have no problem. We are precise and organized, a combination that will account for all of your goods and deliver them wherever you want without loss or damage. We handle your belongings carefully. Not only this, but our drivers are very cautious, driving safely and making sure to abide by traffic rules of the road. One factor that makes us stand out is our excellent working relationship with the authorities in charge of relocations. This relationship bolsters the security we provide for your goods. Not only this, but we have insurance policies in place to help protect you from any liability that may be incurred during and after the trip. Our services are swift and punctual, qualities not many moving firms can boast. If you need competent movers in the area, you should not look too far. 3 Movers can help you achieve a stress-free move. We are also very affordable, charging about $30 to $40 per hour. Our clients get the best affordably. With us, you can reduce the burden of your move significantly. If you are still unsure about our services, you can check and ask around for our reviews. You will find satisfied and ready to patronize again customers. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Upper Ground Lagoon moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.